How to choose high impact factor journals. In this video, you will learn what is high impact journal, what is a Simago journal rank, what is H index, steps to target your research at high impact factor journals, steps for selecting high impact factor journals. What is a high impact journal? In academic publishing, aiming high includes choosing a target journal with the highest possible impact factor. This impact is a measure of readership. That is the number of other researchers your paper will reach after publication, at least in the context of publishing. Therefore, journals with larger circulation have greater impact factors. Recently released journals or journals read by fewer researchers globally would have lower impact factors. Simago Journal Rank. It evaluates journals based on the average frequency of citations received per article in a particular year, divided by the number of articles published in the journal over the past 3 years. Simago provides several journal metrics to assess high-quality impactful journals using Scopus data. Additionally, it offers rankings for the 27 subject domains and 295 subcategories. What is H index? The H index is a measure of an academic's productivity, prominence, and influence in the academic community. It quantifies the contributions made by an individual, research facility, university, or even a country. The calculation is based on the number of publications and their respective citations. An individual's H index is equal to H if they have published N papers, and H of these papers have H or more citations, while the remaining papers have fewer than H citations. The H index rewards researchers for being cited in multiple publications. Steps to target your research at high impact factor journals. Familiarize yourself with the journals favored by successful academics in your field. Research journals within your field that has higher impact factors. Communicate your message clearly and effectively using simple English and a structured format. Steps for selecting high impact factor journals. Number 1. Start by clearly defining your research field. Different journals cater to different specialties and topics. It's important to target journals closely aligned with your research area. Number 2. Check the latest journal citation reports or reliable sources ranking journals by their impact factors. Impact factor reflects average citations per article. Higher factors mean more visibility and influence. Number 3. Take into account the intended audience for your research. Journals with a broader readership may have higher impact factors, but they might not be as specialized. Whereas specialized journals might have lower impact factors but could be more relevant to your specific field. Number 4. Examine the policies, guidelines, and submission requirements of the journals you are considering. Ensure that your research aligns with their scope and that you can meet their formatting, style, and submission criteria. Number 5. Open access journals have the potential to increase the visibility of your research as they offer free access to a broader audience. However, it's important to recognize that not all open access journals maintain high impact factors. Therefore, it's important to carefully consider both visibility and the reputation of the journal when making publication decisions. Number 6. Examine recent editions of the journals you are considering. This will provide insight into the quality and relevance of their articles as well as the expertise of contributing authors. Number 7. Check how the journal reviews paper. High-quality journals usually have strict peer review processes to ensure the quality and validity of research. Number 8. Consult with colleagues, mentors, and seasoned researchers in your field for guidance. They may offer valuable recommendations regarding reputable journals. Number 9. Be careful when encountering journals boasting high impact factors but lacking credibility. These predatory journals may employ unethical practices that could harm the reputation of your work. Number 10. While targeting high-impact journals is desirable, consider the time it may take for your paper to undergo acceptance and publication. Opting for journals with slightly lower impact factors but quicker publication timelines can be a strategic choice. Number 11. Based on the aforementioned factors, create a list of journals that align with your research focus, possess a strong reputation, and cater to your intended audience. Number 12. Analyze the shortlisted journals based on criteria such as impact factors, readership, demographics, subject scope, availability of open access options, and publication timelines. This comparative assessment will facilitate a well-informed decision on where to submit your research. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.